Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right.
Question 1. What is the largest bird? A. Ostrich. B. Andean condor. C. Emperor penguin. D. Harpy eagle.
The answer is A. Ostrich. The ostrich lays the largest eggs of any living bird, weighing up to 3 pounds.
Question 2. What causes a rainbow? A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting through water droplets in the atmosphere. B. The absorption of sunlight by specific types of clouds. C. Static electricity interacting with atmospheric gases. D. Reflected light from the moon bouncing off the Earth's surface.
The answer is A. Sunlight refracting and reflecting through water droplets in the atmosphere. Each person sees a unique rainbow because the light reflecting into their eyes comes from different raindrops.
Question 3. What is the largest star currently known? A. Stephenson 218. B. UY Scuti. C. Betelgeuse. D. The Sun.
The answer is A. Stephenson 218. Stephenson 218 is estimated to be over 2,150 times the radius of our Sun, making it truly immense.
Question 4. What animal lives the longest? A. Tortoise. B. Elephant. C. Blue whale. D. Eagle. The answer is A. Tortoise. Some tortoise species can live for over 150 years, making them among the longest living land animals. Question 5. What is the fastest bird? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Swift. C. Golden eagle. D. Ostrich.
The answer is A. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon can exceed 200 miles per hour during its hunting dive, known as a stoop.
Question 6. What is the largest desert? A. Antarctic polar desert. B. Sahara desert. C. Gobi desert. D. Arabian desert.
The answer is A. Antarctic polar desert. The Antarctic polar desert is the coldest and driest continent on Earth, receiving very little precipitation. Question 7. What animal has the best memory? A. Elephants. B. Dolphins. C. Chimpanzees. D. Dogs. The answer is A. Elephants. Elephants can remember specific locations for food and water for decades across vast distances.
Question 8. What is the brightest star? A. Sirius. B. Polaris. C. Betelgeuse. D. Alpha Centauri.
The answer is A. Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star and is twice as massive as our Sun.
Question 9. What is the largest flower? A. Rafflesia arnoldi. B. Titan arum, Amorphophallus titanum. C. Giant water lily, Victoria amazonica. D. Common sunflower, Helianthus annuus.
The answer is A. Rafflesia arnoldi. The Rafflesia arnoldi is a parasitic plant known for its putrid scent, earning it the nickname corpse flower.
Question 10. What animal can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Bat. C. Dragonfly. D. Kingfisher.
The answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of true sustained backward flight and hovering.
Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.